Welcome to a video from thelife.com. Quick look at the new Windows 11 build. This is 26200 for the Canary Channel. You notice now Canary and Dev have diverged, and that's because Microsoft are now working on the next release of Windows on the Canary Channel, and the Dev channel is on the 24H2. So the watermark is back, because we're now on this new branch of Windows 11 development. There's not actually many changes on this build. There's a couple of improvements with the widgets on the taskbar, so that's down here, so they're clearer and easy to see as they're rolling out a new set of animated icons. And there's some stuff for developers actually with that as well, but for the consumers you're just going to notice the improved icons. The other thing that's changed down here is if you've got a device without a battery, sort of desktop type thing, there's a little leaf icon that you'll see if you're on sort of energy saving mode, that kind of thing. That was in and previous build 26100, and it's sort of back now, and that's what they're going to use. The rest of the changes are just fixes. They've fixed an issue for the dead zone inside the notification center. They fixed an issue with some page icons not showing up in the secondary settings pages, and they fixed some issues with the keyboard focus. They've also fixed the issue with the tab tip, so it would crash and you couldn't input text, and they fixed some issues with desktop. There's still some issues with some known issues with this. If you get stuck on an older build, then your best bet is to download this the ISO and then install that as a clean update. And there's a new issues with that the Copilot is auto launching unexpectedly after a restart. But that's it. So a quick look at this video. We're on the different channels now for the dev and beta, and we'll see what comes on the next few builds.